It is. One time I videoed Shamir out here freaking out. There was huge booms. And I got her on video. She was just totally scared to death.
What the heck are they doing? Oh, they're coming over.
Aggie! People are videoing this stuff all over the world. Sounds like it's coming over from Chippewa there. Maybe we should drive over towards Chippewa, see if we can see anything. Hi, Agnes.
They get them a lot at like Norfolk and stuff. Really loud.
What are they?
Naval Air Force.
But there's no airport over there. Yeah, I mean, I thought that too. We've had them come in here a lot, but then they move. They fly over, or it stops, or you can hear it over by the airport like they're sitting there with their jet engines. And this, I swear it's coming. Do you think it's coming from that way?
It could be coming from Minneapolis.
That's that way.
Okay.
There's nothing up.
So maybe they would
We're pointing at Lake Superior. That's northeast. There's nothing. There's Indian reservations.
Maybe that's where they do their practicing.
Yeah, there's no airports except for a little backyard.
It's a herd of UFOs, Lisa.
You've never listened to some of these on the news that people, they can't figure them out. And some of them, when they hear stuff like this, they're preceding a huge earthquake.
Jason would know what they were.